Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the best methods for making money online. If you're looking to boost your finances, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the top 10 ways to earn money online. So let's dive right in and explore these incredible opportunities together. 1. Freelancing your skills, your time. Are you a skilled writer, designer, programmer, or marketer? Freelancing offers you the flexibility to work on projects according to your expertise, interests, and availability. Websites like Upwork and freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients seeking their specific skills. 2. Start an e-commerce store. Got a product to sell or an idea for a unique product? Starting your own e-commerce store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy can give you a global audience and potential customers worldwide. Use social media and marketing strategies to grow your online business and increase sales. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote and earn. Become an affiliate marketer by promoting products or services of others and earning a commission on each sale you generate. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, choose products aligned with your audience, and strategically market them through various digital channels. 4. Online teaching. Share your knowledge. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, consider teaching others online. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses. Share your knowledge with the world, and earn a passive income from students who enroll in your courses. 5. Create and monetize a YouTube channel. Love creating videos? You can make money on YouTube. Choose a niche that resonates with you and start creating engaging content. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and partnerships. Quality content and consistency are key to building a successful YouTube channel. 6. Content writing and blogging. Are you passionate about writing? Consider becoming a content writer or starting your own blog. Many businesses and individuals are in constant need of well-written articles, blog posts, and website copy. Establish your credibility as a writer, attract clients, or monetize your blog through ads or sponsored content. 7. Virtual assistants help others succeed. Offer your administrative, technical, or creative support as a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and businesses outsource tasks to virtual assistants who work remotely. Websites like Fiverr and TaskRabbit can connect you with clients seeking your particular set of skills. 8. Stock market trading and investing. Dabble in the stock market and explore the world of trading and investing. While it requires knowledge and caution, investing in stocks,